Plugging in your Amazon Echo device. You will need an Amazon Echo device, a smartphone and Wi-Fi. Setting up your Amazon Echo device is very easy. This video will show you how, step by step. Inside the box you will find a power cable and of course your Amazon Echo device. Your Amazon Echo may look different to what you see here, depending on which model you have, but the setup method is exactly the same. First, take the power cable and plug the small end into the hole on your device. There will be two small holes, but it will only fit into one place, so you can't go wrong. Next, take the plug end and plug it into the power socket on the wall. Make sure you then switch on the power for the socket. Here we see a different Amazon Echo model, the Echo Dot, but the same thing will happen for every model. You should see the LED ring light has turned on and hear a sound like this. This is to tell you the device is setting up. Eventually the light should turn yellow or orange and you should hear this.
Hello. To continue, download the Alexa app. Hallo. Laden Sie die Alexa-App herunter.
The voice may greet you in different languages. This is normal. Now it's time to download the Alexa app.